All right, we're going to be taking the steering wheel off this OBS today. We're going to be swapping it out for a custom one. We put wheels and tires on this thing. We've lowered it. We'll show you that at the end of the video, but first, right now, we're going to be changing this steering wheel. All right, I don't know exactly what size that is in metric, but I've got a 13/16 right here, and it fits perfectly. That wasn't tight at all. I'm going to see if I'll get lucky and not have to use my puller. How about that? So I've got a Harbor Freight puller down here that I was going to use, but sometimes you get lucky like that and you don't have to use a puller. All right, now we're ready to go back on with the new steering wheel. All right, we got a spring that goes down in this white sleeve right here. You might have to hold it up, Seth, so I can see where I'm at. And then it's got this black wire. You have to weave it through. And that black wire has got these little notches on this collar right here. And it's going to probably blow the horn when I do this, but okay, I got it. It did clip. There was just enough left for it to clip. That just holds it in place till you get the rest of the horn put together. So next we're going to put this piece on. All right, now I've got to put this piece over this. The wire goes through this hole right here. Like that. Yep, just like that. And now I've got to put this piece through the same style hole and try to get all this lined up at the same time. Got these 11mm bolts. This is the hardest part of it, is getting these two pieces lined up over those holes, but it wasn't too bad. Okay, so I'm missing a little screw. The little screw is supposed to go through this hole, and it's supposed to screw down into that hole. I don't have that screw, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trap this eyelet down under the bolt head, and that should do just good enough. I want to stick it. If you can just hold it right there, Seth, that might be good enough. Try to let y'all see exactly what I'm doing. Just like that right there. So I've got that trapped under that. Let me hit these two bolts again. All right, now if I can touch these two wires and the horn goes off, we're good. And we're good. So now I am ready to put the main nut back on. All right, the center plug goes to the column. The one on the side goes to the ground that I installed last. All right, there's the steering wheel installed and horn works. Everything looks good. So let's take a look at the outside of the truck now. Let me show you what we've done lately. So this is the outside of the truck. We have put wheels and tires on it. 3-inch drop coils in the front. We did a 4.5-inch drop in the back. We had put 2-inch drop shackles. We put 2-inch drop hangers, and then we took the overload spring out of the leaf. Seth, he flipped for this. This is his truck, but he puts the widest tires you can fit under the back on this truck, and we put some, of course, not as wide tires in the front, and it's just got a really good look to it. And we're going to be painting this thing. We plan on painting it, doing a custom paint job on it this summer, getting it slicked out, and start going to some car shows, some OBS truck shows with it, cruising the coast. There's one in Nashville. We're going to start doing some of that. So we like vehicles. They don't have to just be Jeeps with us. We like these old body style trucks, and this is just where we've been at on this truck right here. I hadn't really had any Jeep videos to do lately, so this is what we're doing right now, and it's just an easy job doing a steering wheel. And I didn't film doing all this. I had never done anything like that before, which that really doesn't matter, but me pulling the camera out and doing it just makes everything probably 5 times harder. So that's why I didn't show doing the lowering kit, is because it was the first time we'd done it, and it was pretty intense, but we got it done. You'll notice the drum brakes in the back, they're all rusted up. We probably going to put disc brakes on the back of this OBS as well. So anyway, guys, I thank y'all for stopping by watching today. Y'all come back next time. We'll see what we got going in. Yeah.